The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, good morning. Dennis, thank you. Ed, thank you. Sound is good. I'm assuming sight is good. Guys, good morning and happy Monday. Today is July 29th. Anthony, good morning. Last couple of days of the month of July. FOMC starts tomorrow. I doubt we're going to get any Fed speakers, non-voters, today or tomorrow, though we may get some proxy speakers. Read some interesting articles this morning that some of the so-called professionals are calling for a major crash in August. Be interesting to see. Earnings season is upon us. Just to go over the news really quickly. We have nothing today, nor did I think we would. Dallas Fed manufacturing at 10:30, but no speakers as we assumed. We have no earnings. McDonald's missed.
So up to 750 million in the inflation.
Maybe the population will thin down. McDonald's missed. Nothing after the close today. Tomorrow, of course, we'll start FOMC. We have Joel's job openings tomorrow. After the close, AMD, Microsoft, First Solar, Starbucks, bunch of earnings after the close tomorrow. Then, of course, Wednesday, we have ADP. Morning, Dad. We have ADP on Wednesday. We have the rate decision at 2 o'clock, and then, of course, we have Powell's press conference. And then on Wednesday, we're going to get, let's see here, eBay, no real interest. We have Meta and Qualcomm will be interesting. Thursday, ISM. We got a lot of news this week, guys. Then we have Apple, Amazon. And then Friday, we're going to get non-farm payrolls. Quite a bit of news. Hey, good morning, Connor. Quite a bit of news on the week as we head into August. Just adjusting a couple of charts here, guys. Looks like we're going to get a pullback in the YM. Currently, NASDAQ's up 128. ES is up 23 handles. YM's up 154 and Russell's up 18. Russell is leading. Pundits also calling for Russell to be the big mover next month. The Russell. Equities are all green. Nothing that I see in the NASDAQ is red. Apple is up, well, it's 8 cents, but it's green. Amazon's up $1.50. Meta's up $4.30. Microsoft up $3.84. Qualcomm's up. Tesla's up $4. Nvidia's up, it's flat, 40 cents, and SMCI up $4. Markets are green. Volume is good. 84,000 contracts have traded. 2,500 on the net buyers. So volume is good. Buyers are strong heading into FOMC. Right now, we are looking like a trend up day. We'll see what we get. I expect that the markets will bid up into FOMC and then whatever Powell has to say as it relates to September rate cuts. In any event, we do have a couple of trials in this morning. Good morning and welcome. Summers are generally slow. For those of you guys with the Algo, I have sent you each the results for 3.1 and 3.2. I haven't completed 3.3 yet. I will. I have gone to December in gold. Yeah. Yeah, I'm December in gold. TradeStation rolled last week, and because I don't shut it down at night, it didn't roll, so I stayed with the front month, but we're trading December gold. In any event, let's get on with it. I'll read the disclaimer. We'll look at charts. Good morning, Hubba. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Coming in, we've got just under 2,000 net buyers. Here we go. We're off. Let them jerk around. There's 73. Got small sellers here in the open, couple hundred. Should get a small bounce here. There's the bounce. My algos are on, guys. Buyers are in now. Buyers are in. We're going to have a hard time breaking down this level, at least on the opening candle. Got 170 sellers here. If it breaks below 55, it might come 49. We could come down to 223. I do have a level at 223 on the downside. See what happens when we get there. 221 now. 400 sellers, almost 500, now 500. Longs are...
There's more selling pressure on equities at the open. S&P still up about 1/10 of 1%.
All right, let me see here. Russell's getting a bid. YM is selling. They're buying Russell right now. 81 was an entry on Russell. ES.
Order submitted.
All right, there's a short, guys, on Algo. Oh, ES. Hang on one second, guys.
Order canceled. Order filled.
All right,
Order filled.
buyers are back in. I'm looking for a long here.
Order filled.
There's a long there. Right here at 65.
Target filled.
Target's filled. Target 1 filled. We're going up, guys. Buyers are right back in. Lots of them. If we get above 300, this is going to go. I'll have a long. I'm watching this 2-minute bar. $2,100 buyers here. Really need to get above 87, 88. Let's get above yellow. Excuse me. A lot of buyers. They bought most of what they sold in the previous bar back in that bar, and now they're net buyers, another 400. I like longs, guys. If you're in, I really want to get above. There you go. I'm going to try a long here at VWAP.
Order filled.
I tried a long at VWAP. We're going to fight this level here.
Stop filled.
Are you kidding me? Let me get rid of this stupid ATM. I'll be long at VWAP again. $9:30 to 12, Oliver. $9:30 to 12. They're on. There's just no trade yet. Try this again, guys. I still like the longs. Went it through 75. Too many 2,300 buyers, fellas.
Order filled.
Try this one more time here. All kinds of buyers. We're just going to jerk around. Come on, seriously? $2,400 net buyers, and we're just playing games. Up through there it goes. Up through 92. This is going to rock it. $30 sellers in this block, 40 sellers. All right, I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I'm flat. I'm flat. I don't have shorts. 3,100 on the buyers. I'm still holding 4. Come on, let's go. Here we go. $2,500 trade. 26. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud is coming at 19.20. You can take some off.
Order filled.
I sold 2. I'm holding 2. I'm trying to get to. All right.
Order filled.
Whoop, no, that's not what I wanted.
Order filled. Order filled.
I've got one left. I goofed.
Order filled.
I'm flat. I meant to take one off. I added one. I'm flat for now. All right. YM is trying along above 722 on YM. I'm going to try YM maybe 23. Russ, there it is, 24.
Order
All
filled.
right, I took too long on the YM, guys. I'm long 2 on the YM. First target should be 79. I can't even make an argument for 96. I'll take one off at 54.
Order submitted.
I can make an argument for 96.
So Hamas spokesperson saying that Israeli ceasefire response shows Netanyahu was stalling to avoid reaching an agreement.
One tick. Missed by a tick. Come on, push, YM. Let's go. Give me that first target. I'm halfway between what should be the first target. Missed me by a tick. Still holding. NASDAQ needs to clear 14.15 to go. NASDAQ needs to clear 15, call it. Still playing with YM. I'm about done with this rat dog. I'll take a couple ticks and be done.
Order filled.
I'm flat YM. Waste of time. And Sim.
Target filled.
There's target filled. First trade was a loser. Second trade a winner. $500 sellers. We just pinged VWAP. No, not quite. 87. Excuse me. Morning, Brandon. Leaving Ninja and Apex data or you're having Ninja and Apex data. No news. Let me just take a look at
Order submitted.
another ES trade. I'm not gassed about shorts, fellas. Not at this point, but we'll see. It's going to go to a loss.
Order filled.
Out on the ES, down 137 bucks. Not one NASDAQ trade yet. Going up, I would say 25. We're going to 36 from here. Going to 36. I'm going to try a long.
Order filled.
I'm long. I'll take 2 at 34.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
33. 2 at 33. Let's go, Dingbat. Let's go. Give me 33. 33. Oh, you are a bum. That was a bum move. Come on, 33. Push here. Come on. Should go to 36. 36 half. There we go. Come on. There's nothing here. Got 400 buyers. Come on. Seriously. Oh,
Order filled.
all right, I took it off. I'm out. I'm flat. Oh, just missed first target here, guys.
Order canceled.
Target one hit and filled.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, targets hit on 3.3. Targets hit.
Order filled.
That's done for the day, 600. And 3.2 hasn't hit target. Those two trades, CONT. What the hell does that mean? Don't know what that means. Pushing resistance here. I'll go over the trade. This is 2 contracts here on Algo 3.2. This is 5 contracts with ticks. It's taking small ticks. $15, $30, and 50 ticks on 3.1. This is ATR. Come on, one more push and this gets target. Oh, you stink face, no good pony dog.
Order
There it is.
canceled.
Got it. All right.
Order canceled.
All right, guys. So here's what we got on Algos for Monday so far. Algo 3.3 up 320. I don't know, Anthony. Don't really care. I'm not in anything. Up 320. Algo 3.1 up 600. Algo 3.2 up 555. Yeah, 74.50. Yes. Now, if it blows through, these could reset. That'll become the new yellow. You guys get this? Did you guys get those trades? Guys? So 3.3. Let's not do 3.3. Let's do this. All right, everybody got them, right? These are all the settings. These are all the settings that I sent you guys. So 3.1. Today is July 29th. One trade, one winner. And high water mark right now is 600. We don't know where we finish. I'll have to adjust these totals a little bit. And then 3.2. 3.2. July 29, 1, 1, High water mark is now 555. You do discretion? No. No, Oliver, no. The algorithm is fully automated. I don't touch the algo. It's all programmed to trade. All right, guys. So for the sake of the video, let's just take a breath here. Let me just kind of go over totals. Currently, our NASDAQ algos are all green, nicely green. Okay? 555, 600, and 320. I've traded one evaluation, currently up 770. I've traded two PAs currently, one up 450 and one up 245. I will trade this one again. Look for another trade here. Tape. Whoop. Just missed target one. Take that
Order
out.
canceled.
And these will be done, guys. I'm done for the day.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done for the day with the algos. We could come down to 83, maybe 87. We're sitting on yesterday's high. Next 2-minute bars in 1 minute. If this breaks down on the 2-minute bar, this could come a long ways lower. Still have 3,200 buyers. I'm not really interested in short. That's the ES algo, which I'm not running. 225 is target, guys. 225. I don't have an email from you yet, Mauricio. Okay, I'll take a look at it.
Order filled.
All right, we got target one. What I'm going to do, guys, I am just going to put my stop.
Order submitted.
I'm going to just lock in 1, 2, 3, 5 ticks. That's it. Whatever this does, whatever she do, she do. If this gets up to 2270, I'll close that trade. All right, NASDAQ back above 300. And this is kind of where I like the long. We're back above yesterday's high. It's got to maintain 300. All right, Russell is at 2-minute resistance. If Russell gets through this little area here, 64, maybe call it 65, our final target, if you're long, we're going to call it 70. So let's call it 69.5.
Order target filled.
There's target on the ES algo, now up to 87.50. Algos are absolutely in fuego. We hit 9 on NASDAQ. We hit 9. We should push to 21. Back to 3,200 positive delta.
Order filled.
That had to have been Russell. Yeah, Russell came back.
Order canceled.
47 divided by 57, 82.4%. So the win rate is 82% so far for the month. Unless this thing completely falls out of bed, it's a hell of a month. I don't, and it won't, because the most I can get back is $3,000. And this is 785 on 3.2. So we're going to do, that's July 29th. That's 785. Let's do 785 there. We have 2, another 100% win rate. We have 37, 39, and 48. See if that changes at all. I doubt it, but 39 divided by 48, 81, doesn't change it. And this goes to 10,385 plus 785, goes to 11,170. There's your monthly total, Algo 3.2. Anybody have any questions, guys? I'm done for the day. Everybody get paid to come to work? This is wrong. Set the target at 8 ticks. It should be 12. And it missed target. What did we miss by? 1 tick. All right, so everybody got paid today.